First time ever in the history of Malaysia, a showroom full of JDMs and Honda Type Rs. Want to know what is in the lineup? Check it out. How often do you see JDM cars or Honda Type Rs being displayed in a showroom in Malaysia side by side at the same time? No, right? I remembered when I was young, in my teenage, I was always dreaming of driving a JDM like a Civic Type R. Whenever I heard the sound of the VTEC engine, especially the VTEC kicking in, I would always look to see if it's a Civic Type R. If I see the Civic Type R, I would always stare and admire the car and dream I would be able to drive the car on the open road and rev up the engine to listen to the sound of the VTEC. Today I'm very excited. Imagine one Civic Type R can make me daydream for the whole day. Now a lineup of Type Rs. Imagine what it can do to me, man. Woo! First time ever in the history of Malaysia, a showroom full of JDMs and Honda Type R lineup. I've never seen any Honda showroom that display a lineup of Honda Type Rs and JDMs. It's the first time ever. I'm very excited to show you guys. Well, there's one Honda dealer in Showroom which already set up a mini Type R collection hall or sort. This dealer is Honda Banting Showroom. It is located at Oakland Industrial Park and it is visible alongside the North-South Highway. Honda Banting Showroom managed to sell off all their stock, which leaves the showroom display floor vacant. Rather than leaving it empty, Banting Showroom decided to display a lineup of Honda Type Rs and JDM.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes, we are at Banting Motors Showroom. I'm gonna bring you guys in to view the lineup. Are you guys excited? If you are, please smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you inside. Okay, let's not wait any longer. Let's crash the collection hall. Wow! Civic EK9 Type R! Oh, my dream car! Love it! Ah. Oh, see! Type R, wait. Type R! Love it!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Wow, this model has an electrically powered vinyl top with internal cloth lining. The interior features red leather seat, red door panel, leather wrapped steering and gear knob. I just fall in love with this car. What a beautiful car. Love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Yay, we have done a walk around in this Honda Mini JDM and Type R collection hall. Finally, my small dream has been fulfilled by Honda Banting. Thank you Honda Banting for giving us Honda fans this opportunity to view this lineup of legends. If you like this kind of lineup, please let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to smash that like button. The owner says if this video gets 10,000 likes, he will display a different lineup of JDMs. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Signing off, I'm Navin from the Honda Guys. We are all about Hondas. Bye bye.